Well, since we're on quarantine, hey, get over here. Since we're on quarantine, I decided to tell you guys a story around the fire. The hurricanes and tidal waves, the ship has been through hell. Poseidon dished the toughest test, the crew would never fail. But there's one more feat, there's two defeat, then we'd be homeward bound. We have to pass the island of the luring siren sounds. The legends say that no man can resist the tempting tune. It'll pierce a hole into your soul and lead you to your doom. So we fashion plugs from wax and pack them in the crewman's ears. It's the only way to pass the island, every save the fears. But no plugs for me, I had to see they bound me tight with rope. Temptation got the best of me, and I just had to know. These witches voice from heaven that led all who've heard to hell, that no living could describe because these dead men tell no tell. Approaching near the island, I hear something on the wind, and with a tingle down my spine, I feel my mind begin to bend as she sang. Dream of me, my lover. Dream of me, my dear. Dream of me, my lover. Dream of me, my dear. Well, I'm tied up to the mast, and now the crew won't set me free. Their ears are plugged and they can't hear the sound that's calling me. It says abandon ship and swim to me. I need you in my arms. Don't worry about the rocks or reef, for they won't do you harm. Forgot about the life I have back home that I adore. Right now with that siren sound is all I'm living for. The siren sounds seduce my mind like angels from above, with the promise of eternal bliss from this goddess of love. But we're almost past the island, the sounds will start to fade. I'm not set free, the crew can see no sanity displayed, because my ears are bleeding, eyes are bulging, screaming till I cough. I need to free my limbs before I start to chew them off. The legends were all true, and now I think I will regret the sound that spears inside my ears that I will soon forget that sings. Dream of me, my lover. Dream of me, my dear. Dream of me, my lover. Dream of me, my dear. What was I supposed to do? I shimmied through the rope with my boot knife and cut me loose. The crew all tried to stop me, but it wasn't any use. And every man that stood before me was a man that got knocked down. With a newfound strength and any length, the reach a sinful sound, and through my single-handed mutiny, now steadfast at the will. The closer that I get, the more euphoria that I feel. The passes grow narrow, the bottom's grinding thin. The reef against the rocks and reef, and now the water's rushing in. So careless did I listen to the siren's deadly lips, that I steered my boat and grew into this vast graveyard of ships. But the voices still calls out to me, and I just can't resist. Though my ship is sank, my crew is gone, my journey still persists. As she sang, swim to me, my lover. Swim to me, my dear. Swim to me, my lover. Swim to me, my dear. So casting myself overboard, I dove into the sea. I've come this far, no man or beast or God is stopping me. I swim with all my might, aiming steadfast at the shore. With every stroke I take, I hear her voice a little more. But as I find land, I walk the sand, my angel now in reach. And to my fear, my eyes are clear, there's nothing here but beach, just littered thick with skeletons of sailors never found. That's when I see they're fools like me from chasing siren sound. And now I sit surrounded by the sea as flesh and bone of these fools like me that swam the sea, that die here all alone. But the sound of south surrounds me. My end can now begin. The voice is all that's left for me. And now I'm in sin. In this morbid situation, there was just one last thing. It was the smile while I wait for death, while dancing to her sing. As she sang, dance with me.